Hello, it's Veronica back with a hair tutorial. Today I'll be doing a loose everyday wave. I will first brush out my hair to reduce any tanglage. Now taking a heat protectant, I will spray it all over my hair to protect my hair from any damage. I will now brush my hair again to disperse the product. Using a clip, I will split my hair into two sections, the crown on top, and then I'll take the remainder and split it into two around my neck. Taking the straightening iron already preheated up, I will then begin doing my hair. Taking a small section of my hair, I will put the straightener on and then wrap my hair above the straightener while twisting away from my face, slowly pulling downwards. To create dimension, the next section I will be flipping it towards my face and putting the hair above the barrel again. Now alternating those steps to create some dimension and volume. Unclipping the next section and reclipping the section I will do later. I will then split it into two and put the curled pieces away. Making sure to brush out the new sections just to reduce any forms of damage. I am now pointing the straightening iron downwards instead of upwards, but do whatever is easiest for you. As long as you continue to alternate going forward and backwards, pointing down or pointing upwards is fine. Now onto the last section of hair. Make sure to split it the way you want it to be split and putting away the hair that's already curled. I will be curling away from my face for all these sections. So on the right side it will be going to the right, and on the left it will be going to the left. Make sure to pay attention to the front pieces as much as possible because those are the face framing pieces. It looks like we're almost finished, but let's find some strands that were not curled all the way. Now to top it off, I don't really like using hairspray, but I'm using this 3-in-1 finishing spray. Move your hair from side to side and that's it. You have voluptuous, easy, everyday curls. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!